Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to view downloaded videos on YouTube in PC. So let's get started. First, launch your web browser and go to the YouTube site youtube.com. Then if you are not already signed in, click on the sign in button and sign in to your YouTube account. Then simply tap on any video you want to download first. Since I have not downloaded any videos yet on my PC from YouTube, so tap on the video and there you can see the download option available. Tap on the download option. It will download your video. So after your video is downloaded, you can see the view option available down there. You can go there and watch your video as well. But if you want to watch your previous videos also, then simply go to the home page and you can see the download option available on the home page. Then tap on it. Here you can see every download videos you have ever downloaded from YouTube. So that is it guys. By following these steps, you can easily view and manage the videos you have downloaded from YouTube on your PC. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.